All right, guys, we are in Jackson, Mississippi with Tyrone Haggard. Part 3. If you haven't seen parts 1 and part 2, make sure you watch those. This is part 3 of a series we're doing out here in the middle of Mississippi.
Yes.
Tyrone, what do we got here? We got some acreage here for sure.
Yeah.
And got a house here. And this, you told me a second ago, this is one you bought a little while ago, but you've been sitting on. So tell me about that.
Yeah, this was one that was just a deal that I just could not refuse. It's acreage. It's on 3 acres. It's a house and a 3,000 square foot shop where the previous owner owned 18 wheelers. And so this is a pretty unique one here.
Okay. So we've got, this is a private driveway and there's a gate right there. And then it's pretty much, I guess it's fenced all the way around, huh?
Yes, it is. All 3 acres.
So all 3 acres are fenced?
Yes.
So when you said you couldn't refuse it, let's just go ahead and go through the numbers because you haven't even started on this one yet.
Yeah, we've done some preliminary work on it, like cleaning the grounds up and getting it cleaned out. But yeah, the numbers were just insane. I was able to get it for $165,000. It's going to take about $100,000 in rehab for the house and the shop.
Okay.
And this property has pre-appraised for $350 already.
Wow, as is.
As is.
Wow. All right, so what is the value in the land then, or a little bit?
The value is in the land and a little bit of the house and the shop. The house is not in bad shape, no structural issues. It's just what something of this size and the land will go for around this area.
And then that big old shop over there probably doesn't hurt either.
It added a lot of value to this property.
Interesting.
Yeah, it did.
All right, well, let's you want to give us a tour?
Yeah, let's give it a tour.
So you said you've done some preliminary work on the ground.
Yeah, mainly outside. The reason why it looks this decent is because we cleared it off and
was it pretty bad?
Yeah.
How so?
Well, I can show you how bad.
Okay.
You couldn't get in here because that bridge was washed out. That's a brand new bridge I had to build.
Oh. So you're already in it for some dollars then.
$40,000 bridge.
Whoa.
Yeah, I mean, it was washed out. We had an engineer come out here. We had to literally build a whole new bridge.
Okay, well, we're in it for 40 already.
Well, that was included in the 100. So I got 60 more grand to go.
60,000 to go, and it's going to be in this house right here.
Yes.
Now, are having bars on the windows, is that a normal thing?
It is a normal thing for certain properties that were built during a certain time and then that people owned them during a certain time in Jackson and Hinds County. This house being out in a rural area, not a rural area, but being on acreage, I'm not sure if they necessarily needed bars. I think that was just a preference.
Okay, so you haven't really done anything in here, I assume, except just clean it out? Or?
That's it. Yeah.
Because it doesn't look bad.
That's what I said. It's not a terrible house.
So what do you feel like you're going to need to do?
I'm going to put my touches on it, paint floors.
So you are going to take the floors up?
Get rid of some of the dated pillars and things of that nature, yeah. I'll update it. It already has an open floor plan, but I'll make it a little bit more of my flavor.
Okay, but you're going to take these floors up?
Yes.
Even the tile in here?
Everything.
Will you put LVP, I'm assuming, and are you going to put it over the top, or you're actually going to take these up?
I always go down to the slab.
Subfloor.
I never cover any floors with any other type of floor because at some point in the future, something's going to happen. So I just take the extra time to demo, get back to the original slab, do the actual prep for the floors to be able to lay the new floors just so that it doesn't give a homeowner a problem 5 to 10 years down the road.
And then here in the kitchen, you mentioned it's already open. it's extremely open already.
Yeah.
You're gonna take these bars out.
Yeah.
These I guess these
Columns.
spindles.
Columns.
Yeah. And then what is this? This is just like a little bar?
I guess so. It was something you can sit here.
You taking it out?
They had a lot of chairs and stuff there. So yeah.
You taking this out?
This is going to go away.
Oh, wow. This whole thing's going to go away.
Yeah.
Are you keeping an island or are you going to
Yeah, I'm going to keep the island.
Are you keeping cabinets?
Yes.
Cabinets look great.
Yeah.
But you're going to put, what are you going to do in the kitchen? You're going to do countertops?
Yes. Countertops, appliances, new sink, some backsplash, kind of all the things that I would typically do in a
Will
house.
you keep this stovetop on the island?
No, it's going to have to be replaced as well. It works perfectly fine only because it has a crack on the corner.
No, but will you go back to putting a stovetop here though?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I will.
Yeah. Awesome. And then what's in here?
That's a huge laundry room. Oversized laundry room.
Wow.
With a pantry.
Oh yeah. And then the door to the garage.
Yeah.
And then the pantry. Mm-hmm. Okay. Wow. With a sink. It's like a little mud room too, because you can come in from outside right there.
Right.
Okay. Wow. This is nice. It's fine as is.
And that's why I bought it.
It's not flip worthy, but it's fine.
Yeah, yeah. I had originally thought about keeping it as an office and doing, having the house as an office and making the shop my podcast studio. So now I'm going to just go ahead and transform it.
Gotcha. Okay. What do we got back here?
You got guest bathroom right here.
Now, will you do the same thing you did in the previous video?
Yeah.
The previous house, guys. If you haven't seen the previous transformation of the house, click on the link. I'm going to put the link right here, right above us.
Yeah.
Click on that, and you can go back and watch what Tyrone does to a hall bath.
Yeah, that hall bath will look just like that other one.
Okay.
And then you got the 3 bedrooms. This one's only a 3-2, so you got the 2 guest bedrooms over here, and the master or the ensuite is back there.
Okay. Yeah. And then again, all this is just going to go back with more luxury,
more LVP,
vinyl plank, and then even the carpeted walk-in closet is going to go back to, is going to go to LVP.
Absolutely.
But you'll do tile in the bathrooms, right?
Yes.
All right. Very nice.
Yeah.
This is a nice house. So let me ask you this though. So how long have you been sitting on it?
I've been sitting on this one for about a year.
No way. So is this a situation where you use your own money or you use private?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because if you'd use private money.
I couldn't sit on it for private money. I couldn't sit on it that long for private money. Okay. With private money, it wouldn't have made sense.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so.
And how do you, if you're going to use your own cash, is this straight cash or do you have a line of credit or how do you?
Straight cash.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Very good. Well, you know what I'd like to see?
What'd you like to see?
I'd like to go out here and look at this building back here.
Okay.
Can we do that?
Yeah. Let's go check it out.
All right, guys. We're going to go take a look at that building.
It's ugly. It's full of trash.
All right.
It's nothing special. I'd love to take you to look at it.
Now, Tyrone, is this, we're going to replace a roof probably?
Yeah, we're probably going to have to end up
replacing. Paint the exterior?
Yeah.
And then what about the garage door? It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. It's going to get repaired and painted.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So this is like for like an RV kind of.
Yeah, but he had 18-wheeler.
Yeah.
But it could definitely hold an RV.
18-wheeler.
Yeah, he had a semi truck or whatever.
And then you've got like a little loft.
Yeah, it's a loft up there.
Up here. Very nice.
Yeah.
You got like a little bathroom.
Yeah.
This is a very nice building.
Yeah, it is. And all the electrical works, all the plumbing. I've just got to put our finishing touches on it. You
For,
know?
you know, for something like this, I mean, is it really just one of those things where you're just going to clean it out?
Yeah, I'm going to clean it out, make sure everything's functional, make sure all of the insulation is proper. Insulation, plumbing, electrical, make sure the roof is good. And yeah, just make sure that everything is safe and functional and that there isn't anything that's broken or damaged.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, Tyrone, is this, you know, I guess maybe aside from the structure, this is kind of like a typical like flip for you? I mean, you had to do the bridge, you got this structure, but the house itself.
Yeah, it's
That
I
thing's
don't
gonna
have
be.
a typical flip. If it makes sense, I just do it. It doesn't have to be something that's, you know, a bridge. Oh no, I don't want to touch it. Or a big shop. Oh no, I don't want to touch it. If the numbers make sense, I can get anything done.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get out of this heat.
Yeah.
Man, woo, it's hot in there.
It's hot in Mississippi.
Oh, it is hot in the South. This is a beautiful property. Now, having this thing for a year, I imagine you're coming out here, not you, but you're having the grass cut. You've got obviously taxes, you've got insurance, even though you paid cash for it, you still have your holding costs for a year are still going to be, it's not insignificant.
It's not insignificant, but it wasn't significant enough for me to worry about based on the value of the property. I mean, the property is already worth $300,000. I paid $165 for it. So, I mean, what, do I want to be greedy, or do I want to have a great property to bring to the market at the appropriate time?
Now, was it a situation where you just had too much going on? Or what do you mean the appropriate time?
I wasn't sure if I wanted to sell this place or not. I wanted to keep it. So those, and I'm into properties with acreage. I'm really not interested anymore in that house that's, you know, I am, but if I can have properties with acreage, that's what I would prefer. Strangely and oddly enough.
No. I'm with you. I think the older we get, the more we value something like that.
Yeah, I just value space and flexibility, and I value not having HOAs. Yeah, so.
Awesome. Tyrone, thank you for bringing us out here. I appreciate you showing us around.
Thank you for coming all the way from Alabama.
Yes, sir.
Hopefully I can get out there and learn some things from y'all.
Oh, absolutely.